Hello, future Mrs. Pizzuto. Alright, Paige, I'm gonna kind of give you a quick rundown on some things that you can do to help kind of grow your organic traffic volume and your searches in your area to kind of help you compete with some of those local places, at least on the online platform. I know you do a lot of your own personal face-to-face marketing, which is also great, but also getting some online traffic volume is going to help you guys a lot. But I just want to start it out with these Google search statistics that a lot of people probably don't realize, is that 86.86% of all searches performed online are utilized through a Google search engine. That means Bing, Yahoo, all that other stuff make up the other percentage. That percentage is so low that it's something that you shouldn't really need to focus on. Also, 5.6 billion of those searches are performed every single day. Here's where the stats start to get pretty interesting and why you need to focus on being at the top. 91.5% of that traffic stays on the first page, and only 5% click through to the second page to look for results. And that's just for the URLs that rank. I'm sure as you notice when you Google stuff, there's a little map pack that pops up. There's 3 businesses that pop up in that map pack, and 44 to 61% of people click on those businesses when they are searching for a business for whatever reason. And less than 10% of people actually click on the paid ads. So a lot of people do spend money on those paid ads. Sorry about that. A lot of people do spend money on those paid ads to try to get some traffic brought into their website, but less than 10% actually click on those. They scroll past the paid ads and go to the organic results in the map pack or on that search engine that I was explaining to you. Alright, let's exit out of this here. Go into the good stuff. Alright, so there's 3 things you need to focus on when you're trying to help your page rank on Google. The first thing is content. So I got you and Benchmark pulled up here because Benchmark is your biggest competitor. But in your overall, I don't know about exactly in your area. I think there was a couple sites that ranked higher than them even. But both of you guys have a back page which links to your location. And what I mean by back page is your main website is here, PT Solutions, and then you go into wherever to get to your site, which is technically this, ptsolutions/clinic/Cleveland Park. That has your information, that drives people to where your address is, your phone number, request an appointment, your services, where you're on the map. All that is fine, however, you guys don't have any content. What I mean by content is pretty much just your words and key phrases that are directing people to your site. So as you can see, you do not have a lot of content on these back pages. Google likes to see at least 500 to 750 words, and within those words you want to put specific type of words in regards to like physical therapy, Greenville, South Carolina, rehabilitation, Greenville, South Carolina. Those type of words is what helps drive that traffic. Benchmark honestly doesn't have a lot of keywords either, but they do have more than you guys. Which puts them in a higher category on Google's crawler regards to how they determine websites. So every single month, Google has programs that go out and crawl websites and grab this information. And if that information isn't there, then obviously they put you on a lower ranking system than a website that does. So content is the biggest thing. If you got 500 to 750 words on this page of content, describing some services you do in regards to some keywords that you want to put in there to drive the traffic, and that would automatically help you with ranking in Google. The next thing I want to get into is that map pack situation. So when I Google physical therapist, Greenville, South Carolina, you have your ad. That's the ad that you can pay for that I was telling you about, that only 10% of people click on. Then you scroll down and you have your map pack. See, for physical therapist, Greenville, South Carolina, Benchmark doesn't even pop up in the top 3. Let's see if they pop up anywhere here. There they are. So they're about the 6th position there. And then they got another position. Looks like they got a couple locations in the area. But as you see, we're still scrolling. No PT Solutions. There you guys are. You're at the very bottom of that first page. Let's try therapy. Because it really does depend on the exact verbiage that is used when Googling. Alright, so with physical therapy, Greenville, South Carolina, benchmark pops up in the 4th position. Another one and looks about the 8th. Just keep scrolling here. Alright, no first page. Alright, there you guys are on the 2nd page in the 3rd position. So, to drive more business, you guys obviously want to be in this top 3 map pack situation. The best way to go about doing that is going to be with what is called citations. Now, a citation is literally just your name, your phone number, and your address. So your all citations specifically would be PT Solutions Cleveland Park with your exact phone number and your exact address. Now, by citations, what I mean is Yelp, Yellow Pages, all that good stuff, Facebook, blah, 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 blah. This is a tool that I use called whitespark.ca. It pulls the current citations that you have, and it can also pull competitor citations so you can compare. I forget the exact price per month, but I know that they have a free plan. You can kind of sign up for it and go on and use it and then create a new email and do all that stuff. But as you can see, you have 4 citations. You have Yelp, MapQuest, Yahoo, Bing. Accelerated Physical Therapy, Elite, and ATI. Accelerated has 50, Elite has 37, ATI has 28. ATI, Accelerated, Elite. You see how that kind of correlates. So what you need to do is you need to go in here and get more citations. As you can see, you can pop this up here. You can get Yellow Pages, you can get TailsPoint, you can get MPI Profile, Healthcare, Facebook, all this stuff. You can rank it by the domain authority because this does count. They do want strong citations. So Facebook, definitely need to get you a Facebook citation. This issue one would be a good one to get. ResearchGate, Yahoo, Foursquare, Waze. You can go through and search all these places and go into these sites and add your citations, which is name, address, and phone number, NAP. And that's how you can help rank on there. There's obviously other factors in regards to ranking, but that's one of the biggest ones that you can do right now to help boost business. And the last thing I'm going to talk to you about here is what is called backlinks. So backlinks are technically sites that link your site back to them. The easiest way to kind of describe it is like a popularity contest, as a powerful site pointing back to your site gives you more power. And that power is determined based upon the links that they have referring to them. So the more power you have from trustworthy sites, the higher Google considers you to be a good site and will rank you on the organic search. So as you can see here, we use this. It's called Ahrefs. You can also log in and get, I think this one is more expensive. I paid almost $100 a month for this specific version, but you can do a weekly trial, and I think it's around $7, and then you can get a new email address and kind of keep doing that if you want to use it that way. But as you can see here, when we pull up your all's information, this exact domain, you guys have 0 backlinks, 0 referring domains, and you have 26 organic keywords. So this is the keyword stuff I was talking about earlier. So physical therapy, Greenville, South Carolina. Individuals in that area search that 200 times per month. So there are 200 people per month searching that exact phrase. And you guys are in the 9th position. So that's not even, let me see here, physical therapy, South Carolina, Greenville, South Carolina. As you can see, benchmarkers at the top. Let's see where you guys are on here. Alright, there you guys are in the 11th position on the 2nd page. These tools are pretty accurate. Sometimes they update slower than the actual search results, so you guys might actually be close to the bottom of the page on here by now. and that could change month to month. SEO changes constantly due to links coming in and out. But as of right now, you guys are only getting one person coming to your site per month based upon that search. And outside of that, you have no other keywords. Solutions, Greenville, South Carolina, that's only searched 70 times. Park South Physical Therapy, that's only searched 20. And all of these other ones, they're not even in the top 20. So that is an issue there in regards to why you are not ranking higher. And if you look here at Benchmark, they have 7 backlinks with referring domains with 72 organic keywords. And look at this, it's driving 141 people to their website every single month. If they only convert 10% of those into patients, that's 14 extra patients a month that they're getting just by being at the top of a Google search. But from these backlinks, you can go in and see what they're getting. So this is where some of their backlinks are coming from. You can go to these pages and do some work. Some of them are different, and it is a little time consuming at times to get your link or try to get your link on pages. Some of them you're not going to be able to do. Some of them you can. Some of them you have to pay money for. It's kind of it's a case-by-case situation, but that is why they are outranking you on the Google search. They have more referring domains. Their power is higher. They got a 16 UR, which means how powerful their site is, and a 56 DR, which is how trustworthy it is. You guys have a 9 and a 41. It's lower. They have 7 different domains with backlinks coming in. You guys aren't registering any. They have 72 organic keywords. You come into here, Physical Therapy Greenville, South Carolina. They're in the #1 position with 200 people searching that a month, and 78 people are clicking on their website every single month from that, just from that specific keyword. Greenville Physical Therapy is another 150. They're at the #2 position. Physical Therapist Greenville, South Carolina, it's 20. They're at the #1 position. Physical Therapist Greenville, that's at 20. They're in the #3 position. Physical Therapy in Greenville, South Carolina, 20, #3. You kind of get the point of what I'm saying about the keywords and what's exactly typed in and how they're populating and the position they are. So that's why that they are getting that traffic. And from all of those organic keywords and those searches, they're getting 141 people coming to their page every single month that is looking exactly for physical therapy in Greenville, South Carolina. You guys are getting 2 people. Only 2 people are coming to your website every single month when they type in Physical Therapy Greenville, South Carolina. So that is the reason they're outranking and bringing in more traffic. And those are the 3 things that you can focus on to try to get your business higher to the top. That way you can grab that 141 people. And like I said, even if only 10% of those convert, that's an extra 14 patients a month for you guys. But like I said, some of this is a little confusing and can get a little time consuming. But you can utilize those tools to go in and help better that situation. And obviously, if you need to reach out to me, then you can do so. We can talk about it. I obviously help do this stuff for some of my websites and help with ranking. So in those regards, depending on I don't know what your marketing budget is in regards from the digital end and what you guys do, and opposed from traditional and digital. But obviously, I'm happy to help do some of this if you don't have the time to. And obviously, I can give you a much lower price than an actual digital marketing company could. But you don't have to use me at all. You can utilize those free tools I just told you. It's just something that will take time and a little bit of research to get those results. But if you have any questions, let me know. You have my cell phone number.